Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover the options for bulk generation of Titan Docs projects. On my sample record, I will click the FT Generate Document button to bring up the list of Titan Docs and Titan Sign projects that are available to me on this object. Notice if I select more than one, we see some bulk actions appear. These top two projects are Titan Docs projects. The other two are signature projects that require someone to sign the document. Notice that if you select a mixture of Titan Docs and Titan Sign projects, then the number of bulk actions is a little bit more limited. That is because of the limitation of requiring a signature before a document can be saved. For this example, we will select only Titan Docs projects. The generate bulk action will run the Titan document generate action and any subsequent actions that have been configured in the project. For information on the Titan document generate function and what it does, please see the associated training videos. For send via email, if we click, the Titan email editor opens. We can select our email destination, enter our sample subject, enter a sample body, etc. Go ahead and click send email, and those documents will be generated and sent as an email attachment. We're about to send real emails. The request has been submitted, and those documents will then be sent to the designated recipient as an attachment on an email. Let's look at the other options. Merge will merge the two documents together. Once that request is done, the requester will receive an email with a link to the merged document. It will also show on this screen here. Click the download. It downloads as a merged document, like so. The other options, direct download. This downloads both of the documents to the user's desktop without merging them. This will generate two separate documents in my download folder, one for each Titan document project. Finally, we have the preview function. Click on preview, and the document preview will generate for both of the selected Titan Docs projects. There's one, there's the other. And that is how it's done.